Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on May the 23rd, 2019. Deutsche Bank investors meet to discuss strategy. Deutsche Bank investors are gathering on Thursday for annual meeting. They would discuss questions over the leadership and bank's strategy just few days after shares hit a record low. Major investors have called to Deutsche to diminish its large global investment banking unit. Top shareholders have also said that the bank's chairman, Paul Achleitner, should resign before his term ends in 2022. Deutsche Bank shares hit record dips on Monday and Tuesday. They are down 36% since last year's shareholder meeting. PM Modi wins in India's general election. Foreign Minister said on Thursday India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Hindu-nationalist party won a historic victory in general election, and officials counted hundreds of millions of votes after the massive multi-stage poll. Official data from India's Election Commission showed Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party took 292 of the 542 seats available, well over the 272 seats needed for a majority in the lower house of parliament. Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj, also a senior BJP leader, said on Twitter the party had won a massive victory. Victory allows Modi to push ahead with reforms to combat unemployment and rural distress that have persisted during his 5 years in power. It's a huge mandate for positive politics and the policies of Narendra Modi, said GVL Narasimha Rao, a BJP spokesman. It's a huge win for India. We are humbled by the magnificence of his victory. Consumers led Germany out of stagnation. Consumers pulled Germany, Europe's largest economy, out of stagnation at the start of the year. The biggest spending increase in almost 8 years offset manufacturing slump and troubles plaguing automakers. German household spending climbed 1.2% in the first quarter, the most since 2011. This was amid record low unemployment, low inflation and supportive fiscal measures. Construction and capital investment both gained, while net trade inched 0.2% up as exports outpaced imports. Germany's economy grew 0.4% in the period, but the German central bank has said that the economy's underlying term remains weak and the downturn in industry could even intensify. Markets fall as Panasonic walks away from Huawei. Japanese multinational electronics corporation Panasonic has joined the growing list of companies which suspended from Huawei. Firm announced that it will stop supplying some components of the Chinese technology conglomerate after a U.S. ban over security concerns. The decision by the Japanese firm on Thursday sent Asia-Pacific shares decreasing again and came a day after 4 major Japanese and British mobile carriers said that it would delay releasing new Huawei handsets. Panasonic joins Google, Intel, Qualcomm and Lumentum among the leading companies to walk away from Huawei in what is beginning to shape us as a tech cold war between the U.S. and China.